Welcome everybody to Clarington Kia. You have found a fantastic value find on the lot. Today we're going to take you on a tour of this 2018 Hyundai Kona Preferred with the Sun and Sound package, all-wheel drive as well. This is a one-owner vehicle with no accident history and just over 131,000 kilometers. Now, the purpose of this tour is to give you an exterior and interior look at the condition, as well as some of the great features on this Kona. Starting with what is underneath the hood. We have a 2-liter, 4-cylinder engine on this, connected to an automatic transmission. It is, as I mentioned, it is all-wheel drive as well, so it is perfect for all the crazy weather we have here in Ontario. Now, this Preferred with the Sun and Sound package is a very special model. It's the most popular one for sure. We've got these great-looking 17-inch alloy wheels on here, almost brand new rubber on there as well, so lots of life left on that. Now, as we do this tour, I'm going to show you dings, dents, scratches as we find them, if we find them. So that way, after watching this video, you can make a decision that this is the right car for you. Now, as we come around to the side, one of the cool little details that I like on the Kona is this integrated rear spoiler, and then this nice little, accent that they do down the back here that kind of integrates into these really cool looking nice and thin taillights. Now, those taillights are kind of repeated in the same style on the front headlights, and you'll see that when we get there. And then nice big reflector on the back. One thing that the Kona does well is rear safety with these big reflectors in the taillights. Pretty hard to miss it at night. Now, back tailgate looks in great shape. I always like to check the rear bumper as well, just to make sure it doesn't look like a grizzly bear's trying to claw its way in there from things being dragged in and out. And you can see the all-wheel drive badge. In the trunk, lots of room back here. You can fit a full-size suitcase back here without any problem. And then, of course, if you want to fold down those rear seats, you can do that too, to extend that luggage capacity. Maybe go to Costco or IKEA, get yourself a bookshelf, whatever. Coming around the passenger side, I don't see any door dings. I don't see any large scratches. And on red paint, that would really stick out. So really nice exterior condition on this Kona. Now, if this video was helpful for you at home watching to see the condition and help you make a decision to buy this vehicle, please let the salesperson know. It just makes sure that we continue to produce great content like this for all the other customers, so that way, you get to see this in-depth, up-close look from the comfort of your couch. Now, front end, here's those headlights that I was telling you about. Really neat, slim design, and then we've got driving fog lights down below here. Nice vent, big front grille on this. And then I love this little slim cutout here in the front bumper. It looks really nice and sporty. Just a couple little stone chips on here. But again, with 131,000 kilometers, I mean, you would expect a lot more than just a few stone chips that you're seeing here. So nicely taken care of, nice shape exterior. We'll go have a look in the back seats and then take a look at the front. So I've moved this driver's seat all the way back. This is as far back as it will go to show you there's still a little bit of leg room for back passengers. But with this seat as far back as it is, I'd have to be like 6'3", 6'4" to be able to reach those pedals. So there's lots of room with an average sized driver for back passengers in here. You'll see there's nice perforated leather in this Preferred with the Sun and Sound. We have a center armrest, and I love the fact that there's a tab, makes it a little bit more easier to fold down. All right, and just nice clean shape back here. There's no rips, tears, stains, or burns, and it does not smell like a smoker's vehicle, so it's a non-smoker car, which is important to know. Now, looking up top, we have a nice power sunroof up here, and then our driver's seat, which is in great shape. Nice thing on this Kona is it does have the power driver's seat as well, right? You have to go up to this package to get a power driver's seat. You usually don't get that in a vehicle this size. You usually have to get into a little bit bigger SUV, but the Kona comes with a power seat in this trim level, which is fantastic. Speaking of fantastic, now that we're in here, I want to review with you the reconditioning and the Carfax report before we go any further, because the car is in cosmetically incredible condition, and I want to show you what we've done for the safety and reconditioning on the Kona at Kia, so that way you know this car is in great condition mechanically too. So this one has a little bit of an interesting tale. So Clarington Kia acquired this car on trade-in, and the customer was forthright and it basically explained, listen, there's some issues with the engine that need to be repaired. So instead of making those repairs, it seemed to make a whole lot more sense to put a new to you engine in it. So we've put a used engine in this Kona. So now we don't have to worry about any of those other issues that the engine might have had after making tune-ups and things like that. It's just got a new used engine in here, and we don't have to worry about anything further, which is fantastic. We've also machined the front brake rotors, replaced the rear pads and machined the rotors. We've done a brake fluid flush. We replaced the drive belt as part of the used engine installation. Replaced the rear diffing. It was separating a little bit. Not a big deal there. 4-cylinder tune-up, so brand new spark plugs in here as well. We did need to replace the windshield. It's just got a tiny crack in it. It needs to get replaced. Done a fresh oil change on that engine. Changed the engine air filter. Changed the cabin air filter. Changed the front wipers. Did a front brake service as well. And then rechanged the rear wipers. So in total, $8,438 was spent on this Kona. When you take out the engine, which was about $5,400, still a good chunk of change spent on this car to get it up to a point where mechanically it's in fantastic shape, maintenance-wise, brought all up to date. So now you're just worried about basically oil changes, and that's about it. Just some regular maintenance stuff as you continue to drive this Kona. This is the Carfax one owner vehicle, no reported accidents. You can see there's even 13 service records on file on the Carfax that you can view online or in store when you come to take a look at this Kona. Okay, so I mean, mechanically great shape now, cosmetically incredible shape as well. Now let's talk about some of the advanced safety features that we have on this vehicle. So we have forward emergency braking. We have not adaptive cruise control on this one. Forward emergency braking, the lane keeping assist, lane departure warning. We have blind spot warning in the side view mirrors as well. And then a nice clear rear view camera with rear cross traffic alert, which I'll show you in just a few seconds. As part of some of the nicer features on the inside, we have a leather heated steering wheel. We've got our radio and cruise, volume control on the wheel. We have our cruise control on the other side. We have automatic headlights as well. In total, 131,949 kilometers on the odometer. Now we've got this fantastic infotainment system up here, which does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll see that here as well. So your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus Sirius satellite radio in this one. And as I mentioned, it does come with the upgraded audio system as well. Now, when we put it in reverse, we have a nice clear rear view camera. So that way we keep that back bumper in nice shape. And a nice touchscreen system, and really simple to use. Works just like an iPad, swipe back and forth, and this is your home screen. We have a climate control system for the front as well. So just set that temperature. It'll automatically adjust the fan speed for you to get it back to 22 degrees or whatever temperature you set it at. USB port, two 12-volt ports here. We have our drive mode button. So drive mode is basically taking you from eco to normal to sport. That's just going to change how the transmission handles, how the engine operates, to either get the most efficiency or the most horsepower out of it. We have a 3-stage heated seat, our heated steering wheel, and then on the other side, the passenger heated seat, and then all-wheel drive lock. If you do want to lock the all-wheel drive, you can certainly go ahead and do that. You don't need to. The all-wheel drive system is absolutely fantastic. It's very reactive, but if you wanted to lock the all-wheel drive, you could. And then we have our push-button start just down there. So if you are looking for a very incredibly well taken care of with a new-to-you engine, 131,000 kilometers, and all these incredible features, I mean, you have found a great find here at Clarington Kia. This is in incredible shape and ready for a new owner. Folks, if you found this video helpful, please let the salesperson know, hit the like button on the YouTube channel, drop us a comment, just so that way we can continue to produce incredible footage and stuff like this for you at home to make your shopping experience easier here at Clarington Kia. But whether you choose online or in store at Clarington Kia, it is your experience, your way. Thank you so much for watching. Congratulations to whoever picks up this incredible Kona here from Clarington Kia.